ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಪಾಠ 4 ಹೂದೋಟ ಗದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಓದೋಣ. ಹೂದೋಟ. Here we are studying ಹೂದೋಟ lesson. This ಹೂದೋಟ consists of two words, ಹೂ plus ತೋಟ. ಹೂ means flower, ತೋಟ means garden. When both the words mix together, it becomes hudota. See carefully how I am reading. It is hudota. The will change to the here. Okay, remember that. Flower garden. This is a conversation between a girl called Suma and grandmother. Here grandmother means Ajji in Kannada. Here the conversation is going between Suma and Ajji. Suma: ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ನೀವು ದಿನಾಲೂ ಸಂಜೆ ಹೂದೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? Suma is asking, Grandma, you come to the garden every day evening, isn't it? Allave means isn't it? Ajji, the grandmother: ಹೌದು ಮಗು, ಹೂದೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. Grandmother is telling, Yes child, I like to come to the garden. I like too much. Tumba means it is too much. Like means ishta. Ishta is like. I like too much to come to the garden. Suma: ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಮಂದಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಏಕೆ? Suma is asking, Grandmother, many people will walk here. Why? AK is a questioning word. See? Try to remember this word AK. AK is why. This comes in many questions. So, just remember AK means why. Why many people will come for walk here? Ajji, ನಡೆಯುವುದು ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ. Grandmother is telling, walking is good for the body, good exercise for the body. Vyayama means exercise. It is good exercise for the body. This exercise is necessary for the health. Suma: ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಆಡಲೇ? Ajji means grandma. Suma is telling grandmother, there is a swing. Can I go and play for a little time? Ajji: ಆಡು ಮಗು, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಡೆದಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. Grandmother is telling, play child, I'll go for walk and come back. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ಬಳಿಕ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ means some, samaya means time, balika means after some time. After some time. We will not exactly transfer the word into Kannada or translate the word by word into Kannada. Okay? After means balika. Some means swalpa. Time means samaya. So it is not exactly word to word translation. It is little bit different. The sentence making is different in Kannada and different in English. Okay, give attention to that. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ಬಳಿಕ, after some time. ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಆಡಿದ್ದು ಆಯಿತೆ ಮಗು. Here Vatakshara is there, so you have to stress this letter. Adiddu. You should not say adidu. Do. Okay? We have to say adiddu. Here grandmother is asking, did you finish playing swing? Suma, ಆಯಿತು ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡೆದಾಟ ಆಯಿತೆ. Suma is telling, done grandmother. Did you finish your walk? ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಆಯಿತು ಮಗು, ಈಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣವೇ. Grandmother is telling, I am also done with walking. Can we go to the home now? Or shall we go to the home now? Suma, ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ನಾನು ದಿನಾಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹೂದೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವೆ. Suma is telling grandmother, I'll come daily to the garden along with you. ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಣೆ. Grandmother is telling, you are very intelligent. ತುಂಬ is very, very intelligent. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕಂದಿನಿಂದಲೇ ಇಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. Grandmother is telling, you are very intelligent. Children should learn to practice these good habits from their young age, is what Ajji is telling to Suma. ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ, word meanings. ದಿನಾಲು, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ, everyday. ಜೋಕಾಲಿ, ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆ. Here ya has ya vatakshara, you have to stress it. ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆ. ತೂಗುಮಣೆ or swing. ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ, ಪಾಠದ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದವನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ. Some sentences of the lessons are given below. The blanks we should fill and we should ask the children to tell the word in the blank. ಹೂದೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಆಡಲೇ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡೆದಾಟ ಆಯಿತೆ. Did you finish your walking? ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಣೆ. You are very intelligent. Here the common mistake that children can do with the letter is ja. See how I am writing ja? Ja should be like this. Can you see this? You have to make like ja first, then ja. The common mistake, this is the correct one. The common mistake what children will do is they will write like this. This is au. This is ja and this is au. Okay? It is not ja. The au goes from the head, whereas ja starts from the little bit below the head. Okay? The common mistake a student can do is this. Here it is jane, jane. Okay? ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ. Ask the questions to the children and ask the answers back. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ದಿನಾಲು ಸಂಜೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು? Here the questioning word, you have to find out the questioning word in each questions and replace the questioning word with the answering word. Okay? ಅಜ್ಜಿ ದಿನಾಲು ಸಂಜೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು? Where did the ಅಜ್ಜಿ go every day evening? Grandmother go. Okay? ಅಜ್ಜಿ ದಿನಾಲು ಸಂಜೆ ಹೂದೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. The grandmother used to go to the garden every day evening. ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಯಾವುದು? ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ನಡೆಯುವುದು. What is the good exercise for the body? Walking is the good exercise for the body. ಸುಮಾ ಯಾವ ಆಟ ಆಡಿದಳು? See, ಯಾವ is a questioning word. Which? ಸುಮಾ played which game? ಸುಮಾ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಿದಳು. ಸುಮಾ played the swing. ಜೋಕಾಲಿ means swing. ಯಾರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಅಥವಾ ಕೇಳಿದರು ಎಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. Who said to whom? You have to ask to the children and we have to get the answers from the children. The first one is ಅಜ್ಜಿ ನೀವು ದಿನಾಲು ಸಂಜೆ ಹೂದೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? Grandmother, every day evening you come to the garden, isn't it? ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿದವರು ಯಾರು? Who asked this? ಯಾರು means who? ಸುಮಾ. ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿದವರು ಸುಮಾ. ನಡೆಯುವುದು ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ. Walking is good exercise for the body. This exercise is necessary for the health. ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದವರು ಯಾರು? Who told this? Who? ಯಾರು is who? ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದವರು ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ಅಜ್ಜಿ means grandmother. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕಂದಿನಿಂದಲೂ ಇಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. Children should learn the good practices like this from their young age. ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದವರು ಯಾರು? Who said this? ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ. Read the sentences and ask the children to repeat. ನಾನು ದಿನಾಲೂ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. I take bath every day. ದಿನಾಲೂ is every day. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಮನೆಗಳಿವೆ. There are many homes in my town. ಹಲವಾರು means many. So many. ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಣೆ. My friend is very intelligent. ತುಂಬಾ is very. ಚಿತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಹೂಗಳನ್ನು ಹೆಸರಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿ. Name the flowers given in these pictures. ಗುಲಾಬಿ rose, ಚೆಂಡು ಹೂ marigold, ಚೆಂಡು ಹೂ, ದಾಸವಾಳ hibiscus, ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ jasmine, ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತಿ sunflower, ಕನಕಾಂಬರ firecracker flower. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it and subscribe it and support me. And also if you have any doubt, please comment below. I'll get back to you. Thank you so much.